Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by working safely, put on insulated gloves, turn off all large appliances, and use a flashlight. Once done, locate the main service panel and confirm the meter and service drop look intact. This explains whether outage is internal or external. You should also scan neighbors' houses to confirm a wider outage. Make sure to have a non-contact voltage tester nearby. It helps verify dead circuits without touching live parts. Now move toward the panel and open it carefully. You next focus on restoring power at the panel. Find breakers in a half-on or off position. Those are tripped. Once found, unplug equipment on that circuit to avoid immediate overload, then firmly switch the breaker fully off and back on to reset it. Also check and reset GFCI outlets in bathrooms, kitchens, garages. Sometimes they cut power downstream. Once reset, wait a few seconds and plug in one device to confirm the circuit carries current without tripping again. You finish by restoring circuits methodically. Turn each breaker on one by one and add loads gradually so you can detect issues. This prevents a sudden surge. Make sure lights and outlets on the restored circuit work and check for flicker, noise, or burning smell. These indicate real faults. Label any breakers that behaved oddly and note times for reference. If a breaker trips repeatedly or you sense heat or odor, stop immediately and contact a licensed electrician. This troubleshooting tip keeps you safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.